My name is Maurizio Russo. I am a Sicilian sculptor. I recycle seafood. I bring it back to life with my imagination. I put back into play what Mother Nature makes available to us.
Questa forma qua particolarissima che è come se ci portasse...
This curiously shaped wood seems to take us upwards. I found it submerged in the sand on the Gelese coast, close to a river. It is acacia wood.
Sommersa dalla sabbia nel litorale gelese. L'idea di farla diventare una lampada è man mano che
The idea of making it become a lamp was given to me by the wood itself. A relationship is established between the artist and the wood. It itself suggested me to be transformed in a lamp. Then I added the marble.
Questa di qua è sempre un legno che ho trovato in spiaggia.
This is always wood found on the beach. It is always acacia. It was badly treated and corroded by time. I wanted to underline this deterioration with colors and golden leaves in order to make it beautiful again, even better than its undamaged part.
Le scalanature che si vedono mostra un'evidente corrosione o il legno che è stato poco curato. Questa di qua è un'opera che è venuta quasi per caso.
This work came almost by chance. It is all wood. When I found it, it was charred black. What intrigued me about this shape was the particularity that immediately inspired me to an animal. I cleaned it up many of those times, and in the end this work came out, which I highlighted with acrylic colors and a metal base.
Quest'opera qua io l'ho chiamata Ricciolo.
I call this work Carl because it has the shape of whirlpools, as if someone had dug it to give it a funny shape. It reminded me of a ghost. If you see it like this, it looks like a face with eyes, mouth and a big smile. I wanted to highlight its furrows, its corrosion with the gold leaves.
La Sicilia per noi siciliani.
For us Sicilians, Sicily is all that this land gives us. And it gives us so much, and we must be good at highlighting the beauties that it gives us in all parts.
La nostra terra in pratica è una forma di religione.
It is a form of religion to go to the beaches and look for wood. Often nothing is found. Nature has brought us nothing, either from the sea or from the rivers.
Bravo. Io in quelle giornate aspetto che tutto si calmi perché
On stormy days I already think about what I will find. I must tell you that several times I've found woods unknown to us. For example, I found cocoa-colored woods that don't exist in our area. They have come from Africa, have made a very long journey and beached themselves in Sicily. I probably feel like both a sculptor and a carpenter. You must have a knowledge in both arts.
sicuramente e probabilmente tutte e due, perché saper lavorare in materiali lignei devi avere un po' uno e un po' l'altro, le conoscenze sono infinite.